All right, Honors Algebra 2, welcome to Yak Math Videos for your game plan, section 1.4, 1.6 review video. We are currently on page 4 in your game plan. This is section 1.4 game time questions. We are making our first video from Mr. Yak's future daughter's room here. We got her special guest to be this lovely unicorn and our cute little bunny saying hi, anxiously awaiting their new friend. Anyway, folks, number 1 here, we're starting with number 1, we're going to do number 4. Evaluate if x is -4, y is -9. Plug that in, make sure you know what comes out of the absolute value is always positive. You can get a total, a negative as an answer though. Here's number 6. Negative 12 is going to be positive 12. Negative times a negative is a positive. Shouldn't be too much issue there. 7 looks a little complicated. Just plug things in. It's going to give you positive 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Negative times negative is a positive there. All right. I might have skipped number 6. I did not skip number 6. All right. Anyway, let's number 9. Plug negative 4 in. Then you're going to subtract a negative. It becomes -7, the absolute value. -3 times 7 is -21. All right, number 9 here. That was number 9. You saw number 7. Here is number 10. Negative times negative is a positive. On the inside, get the absolute value of 36, which is just 36. 432, which is kind of a big answer, but don't worry about that. Here we go, number 11, the next page. The lighting isn't great in here. Subtract 4, you have the absolute value of x minus 5 is 6. So you have your two equations, x minus 5 is 6, x minus 5 is -6 to solve. 12, you're going to subtract 5. Guys, you can never have the absolute value. I don't know why it says -5, because that should be a -7. Doesn't matter, though. If it's equal to -5, it's still not okay, so no solution. Don't be so quick to judge those, though. Make sure you divide first, like in 14. 14 is not no solution. All right, take a look at 16. Set the absolute value. So set x plus 5 equal to 2x plus 3. And then the opposite, which is -2x minus 3. Solve both. I get 2 here, which when I plug in, I get a positive. Here I get -2.6 repeating. When I plug that in there, I get a negative, and that's not allowed. You can't have the absolute value equal negative, so x is 2 is the true solution. Same type of question here on 17, folks. Again, if I make a boo-boo, let me know. You could get some bonus. When this one's okay, because when you plug in a negative, it just makes it a positive there. This is not okay. When you plug in negative, when you plug in an 8, you're going to get a -44 on the left. Not bueno. All right, should be able to handle 18. Again, we have time on Tuesday to answer any more questions. Going to add 8 and then divide by 4. Absolute value of 7x plus 2 is 1. You get 2 fractions. No big deal. There's 22. You're going to divide by -4. Absolute value of x plus 6 is 6. You get 0 and -12. Here on 24, folks, divide by 2. So you have 4x is 6 minus 3. Then you have the opposite, -4x equals 6x minus 3. They both work because you get positive answers. And then on 25, simply add 7, divide by 2. 4x plus 7 is 10. 4x plus 7